In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Snapchat not posting stories. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, you can enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next, check the server status of Snapchat. For that, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Snapchat server status. Now navigate to the website of Detector. Now here, if you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next, check for app update. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Snapchat. If you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Another helpful step is to clear the app cache. For that, launch Snapchat. Navigate to settings page. Then scroll down, head over to the option clear data. Now here you're going to find the option of clear cache. Click on it and confirm it. Also check app permissions and ensure Snapchat has access to your camera, storage and data. Also, you can log out and log in back to your account. With these, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, what you want to do is completely delete Snapchat app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With these steps, you will be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.